Hey everyone, and welcome to Feeding Futures, the podcast where we discuss how we can make a real impact on the world. I am Iris, and I'm here with my amazing co host, King.
Hey everyone! Today we have an incredibly important episode for you. We're going to be talking about SDG 2, Zero Hunger. But it's more than just a goal. It's a call to action that's near and dear to our hearts. This episode is all about Patay Gutom.
That's right, King. Patay gutom is a Filipino phrase often used to describe extreme hunger. But in this advocacy, it takes on a much deeper meaning. It's a powerful call to action against food insecurity. The phrase emphasizes the harsh reality faced by many individuals who struggle to access proper nutrition. We want to challenge the stigma surrounding hunger and push for long term solutions to address this issue.
And we're not doing this alone today. We've got some fantastic guests joining us, Kevon and Sean, who will help us explore the importance of this issue, and Kurt, who will share some final thoughts towards the end. So, let's dive in.
So, why is zero hunger such an important goal? As we've mentioned, hunger isn't just about an empty stomach, it's about people being deprived of food that nourishes them. Patay gutom represents not only the severe consequences of hunger, but also the collective responsibility we have to fight for food insecurity. The phrase emphasizes how urgent and widespread the problem is.
Exactly. And the reality is, hunger isn't just about food security. It's about access. Over 690 million people are hungry worldwide. And even in countries like the Philippines, millions of people are struggling with food insecurity. Poverty is a huge factor. People living in poverty simply can't afford nutritious food. Climate change and natural disasters make this even worse, destroying crops and leaving communities vulnerable. It's not just an issue for the developing world, it affects everyone.
And let's talk about food waste, which is a huge problem indeed. The UN estimated that a third of all food produced globally is wasted. That is a massive amount of food that could be fed to millions of people and families worldwide. And it's not just about throwing food, anyways. It's also about distribution and accessibility. Food waste at one end of the spectrum and hunger at the other shows how broken our system are.
It's definitely a paradox. There's enough food, but it's not reaching the people who need it most. Patay Gutom challenges us to think about our hunger differently. It's not just about feeding the hungry, it's about changing systems and educating people to solve the underlying causes of food insecurity.
Right, Sean? And while we're talking about systemic challenges, let's look at some of the key efforts being made to tackle hunger. Kevon, can you share an example of a country or initiative working towards solving hunger?
Absolutely. One great example is Brazil's Balsa Familia program. This each this cash transfer program helps low-income families alleviating poverty and ensuring access to food, healthcare, and education. It has helped reduce hunger in the country by addressing both the financial and social costs of the food insecurity. On a global level, the United Nations Zero Hunger Challenge is rallying countries and organizations focused on eradicating hunger and improving food systems.
Innovations are also playing a big role in fighting hunger. Urban farming and vertical farming, for example, allow people in cities to grow their own food. These innovations are reducing the need to transport food over long distances, which is better for the environment and the economy. It's a sustainable way to provide food to the urban areas where space is limited.
That's fantastic, Sean. And let's not forget that ending hunger is connected to the other global goals too. Hunger is the root cause of many other issues. When people are hungry, they can't learn, they can't work, and their overall well being suffers. Addressing hunger will help us tackle many other problems like poor health, lack of education, and economic inequality.
Now that we've discussed some of the challenges and the efforts being made, we want to give you a deeper look into what hunger really looks like on the ground. So, at this point in the episode, we'd like to share a short video that highlights the struggles faced by families experiencing food insecurity. This video will give you a clearer picture of what this issue truly looks like in real life.
At din minsan kayo mga apo ko at kakain nga kayo at ng kwan. Kukunin ko po yung aking plato. Ito po, at yung kakainin ko po, nagugutom na raw po sila. Sandali, at dito kayo kakain, sandali, at mag-ulam na lang kayo ng asin, karami tayong ulam. Pagpitisan nyo na lang itong ulam na asin. Sige, kain na, sige, kain na kayo. Kumain na, sige, Sige, kain na kayo, kain na. Dali. Nang na. Maubos, sige na.
Nanay Gloria, paano kayo ni tatay, tsaka ng mga anak mo?
Sige. May po kami kakain kapag meron po silang natirang kanin. Sila lang po kakainin namin. Basta makakain lang po yung mga apo ko. May bahala po kami, magtitiis na lang po kami. Huwag kayo anak mag-agawan. Kumain lang kayo. Ate asin, amat mag-asin na lang kayo. Mag-asin. Ito lalagyan ko ng asin. Ayan. Sige. Ay, kawawa mo itong mga apo ko. Nagutom.
Gutom na gutom sila na yan, oh.
Nagutom sila,
Pero sarap na sarap na
sige.
sila, Nay, sa ganyang
Ay,
ulam.
sanay na po sila sa asin na ulam. Ganyan po ang hirap po namin. Hindi na po sila naghahanap ng kung ano po yung meron na ulam. Siya naman po ang pagtukalan nila. Hindi na po sila naghahanap ng ulam. Basta't may asin. Nakakuan po sila, nasanay na po sila ganyan sa pagkain namin na ganyan. Yan po. Gutom kain yan.
Bakit ka umiiyak?
Asin. Sige. Kawawa na mga panlalaki ng mga sugo nila. Panagutom na sila ng sok.
Ganyan lagi, Nay? Ganyan lagi sila?
Ganyan sila palagi. Sige, mga kayo. Yung pakainin yung miyak na yun. Nawala na silang pagkain. At din ako kami, Apo ka, halika rito. Kumain dito, Miyak ni apo ko, wala na siyang natirang pagkain. Halika rito,
Pakainin niyo isa,
pakain ito, Ate ni, kain. Nagutom,
Gutom siya.
Meron pang konti rito, Ayan,
Gutom siya,
nagutom. Bili ng bigas. Nakakasya nung po sa kanya nung po yung pagkain niya, paano po yung meron. Siya yung pinagkagawan ng mga apo ko, Gutom na gutom. Wala ko. Huwag kayo magkalimutan, anak. Nag-aagawan sila sa konting kanin, Diyos ko.
Wala na ba, Nay? Ubus na?
Wala na, ubos na po. Wala nang tira. Nag-iiyakan pa po sila at kwan. Gusto pa po nilang kumain, talaga wala na po silang pagkain.
Nakakain ka ba? Ha? Hindi ka nakakain? Wawa naman. Wala na ba kayo dyan, Nay? Wala nang kanin?
Wala na po, ubos na.
Kunti lang yung nakain niya, Wawa
Kakain na
naman.
lang po mamaya. Ganyan po ang buhay namin dito. Ano lang po yung meron, siya po pinagkakasyan namin. Kaya po ganyan ang mga katawan nila, paano kulang na kulang po sa pagkain. Bomba ako, Busog ko yung. Ito na kayo. Meron po silang natirang kanin. Yan lang po ang kakainin namin. Basta makakain lang po yung mga apo ko. May bahala po kami, magtitiis na lang po kami. Huwag kayo anak mag-agawan. Kumain lang kayo. Ate asin amat mag-asin na lang kayo. Mag-asin. Ito lalagyan ko ng asin. Ayan ayan. Sige. Ay, kawawa mo itong mga apo ko. Nagutom.
Gutom na gutom sila na yan, oh.
Nagutom sila,
Pero sarap na
sige.
sila na sa ganyang
Ay,
ulam.
sanay na po sila sa asin na ulam. Ganyan po ang hirap po namin. Hindi na po sila naghahanap ng kung ano po yung meron na ulam. Siya naman po ang pagtukalan nila. Hindi na po sila naghahanap ng ulam. Basta't may asin. Nakakuan po sila, nasanay na po sila ganyan sa pagkain namin na ganyan. Yan po. Gutom kain yan. Ba't nang
Bakit ka umiiyak?
asin. Sige. Kawawa na mga panlalaki ng mga sugo nila. Panagutom na sila na.
Ganyan lagi, Nay? Ganyan lagi sila?
Ganyan sila palagi. Sige, mga kayo. Yung pakainin yung miyak na yun. Nawala na silang pagkain. Atin ako ni Apo ka, halika rito. Kumain dito, Miyak ni Apo ko, wala na siyang natirang pagkain. Halika rito,
Pakainin yung isa,
Pakainin ito, Atin ni kain. Nagutom,
Gutom siya.
Meron pang konti rito, Ayan,
Gutom siya, oh.
Nagutom. Bili ng bigas. Kasi nung po sa kanya nung po yung pagkain niya, paano po yung meron. Siya yung pinagkagawan ng mga apo ko, Gutom na gutom. Wala ko. Huwag kayo magkalimutan, anak. Nag-aagawan sila sa konting kanin, Diyos ko.
Wala na ba, Nay? Ubus na?
Wala na, ubos na po. Wala nang sila. Nag-iiyakan pa po sila at kwan. Gusto pa po nilang kumain talaga, wala na po silang pagkain.
That video really put things into perspective. It's one thing to hear about hunger. It's another to see the real-life impact it has on individuals and families. This is why Patay Gutom is such an important advocacy. It's not just about providing food. It's about creating sustainable systems where everyone has access to nutritious meal.
And this is where we all come in. Everyone, whether it is through raising awareness, volunteering, or making more sustainable food choices, can play a deeper role in fighting hunger. Education is key too. If we change the way people think about food security, we can make a real impact.
Exactly. And I think it's also important for us to recognize that there's power in the choices we make every day. Whether it's reducing food waste or supporting local farmers, every action counts. And if we all act together, we can make significant strides towards zero hunger.
Let's wrap up with the key takeaways. Ending hunger is not just about feeding people. It's about creating a world where everyone has access to nutritious food. It's about addressing the root causes, poverty, inequality, and waste. Patay Gutom is a call to action for each of us to play our part in creating lasting change.
So, here's our challenge to you, our listeners. Take action, volunteer, reduce food waste, advocate for policies that promote food security, and educate yourself and others. Together, we can end hunger. Zero hunger is not just a goal, it's a future we can build.
We all have a part to play. Get involved today, and let's end hunger, one step at a time.
Thank you so much for joining us on this important journey. We hope today's episode inspired you to take an action and make a real difference in your community.
Stay safe, keep spreading the word, and let's continue working towards zero hunger. See you next time.